The Los Angeles Lakers, the New York Yankees, the Los Angeles Dodgers, the Dallas Cowboys, the New York Jets, Manchester United, Barcelona. These are all sports teams around the world that people have heard of, regardless if they're avid sports fans or not. Sports themselves are a great way for people, regardless of your background, your race, your ethnicity, for everyone to have fun and come together and enjoy and just have a good time. Some of these large market teams, though, have affected how sports have become to what we know today throughout their history and things in between with their enormous power because of their large stature. Me, myself, I'm an avid sports fan. I've been playing sports since I was 3. I watch and read about sports almost every single day. So first, we'll discuss how sports themselves became modernized, how the sports we see today are here. Then we'll talk about how some of these more popular sports clubs become large market teams that dominate their respective leagues. And then we'll talk about the advantages of these large market teams. So sports themselves originated in ancient Greece, as many might know. But in domesticated countries, they really weren't seen as a normal activity until about the mid-1800s. People saw sports. An article by Chavez states that people saw sports as unnecessary and almost sin-like to participate in. But as leisure and more personalized activities started becoming accepted in the 1800s in the modern world, sports became more popular. Now, this was in effect due to technology. Things such as the radio, public transportation, more public restaurants and food made sports a more accommodable activity in your life. The PBS website demonstrates a period during wartime of the Women's Professional Baseball League. This happened during war. Women would take over back home and continued sports on through the early 1900s. And because of that, they kept sports alive. We now have thousands of teams a day around the nation and the globe. What happened eventually over time is sports, after wartime basically, money became a big factor. Companies started investing in specifically moving teams into large cities. Some recent teams to move into large cities would be the Las Vegas teams, such as the Las Vegas Raiders and the Golden Knights, and football teams moving back to LA, being the Rams and the Chargers. All of these teams are heavily sponsored and make some of the most money in the league revenue-wise, since they have the most people, and the law of demand simply states that they will make more money. Why these teams are so advantageous over the others is because they create a culture around the city. As Johnson's surveys state, social identity, civic pride, and other intangible benefits come from these large market teams. Some other teams in other cities, such as Baltimore, Cincinnati, Cleveland, Indiana, and San Diego, have attempted to create large market teams based on the successes of the Los Angeles and the New Yorks, but unfortunately, they weren't as successful and aren't deemed as high as market of teams. Now, as we move on to some more of the advantages of these large teams, simply they can spend more money on players. The system in place for many sports leagues, especially North America sports, is a salary cap. Well, fortunately, these teams, having so much more revenue, can increase their cap by paying these taxes by going over, and in turn, they get some of the best players and best talent in the league. This has led to many teams, such as the Los Angeles Lakers last year, and some other teams, such as the Los Angeles Dodgers, you see an LA theme here, being successful and having some most championships in their respective leagues. So to conclude, sports themselves originated and modernized, but unfortunately money has taken over. Because of this, some of the large market teams were created in turn, and these teams have extensive control and advantages in their leagues. Now, sports today have been affected by these large market teams, as seen by what has been spoken of today. So